Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with the UBOOMX from Earfun. This is a really cool speaker, has some cool features to it, and it was sent out to us by Earfun for us to review. So a big thanks to them for sending this out. So let's go ahead and first of all, let's just take a look at the box itself. So this is what it looks like on the box. Pretty cool. It won the Red Dot Award, whatever that is. And around here on the back, it has all sorts of features, all sorts of cool things. This has superior sound, 80 watts of power. It has high performance chip, IP67 water and dust proof. It comes with a cool strap. It has lights on the front. Just a pretty neat speaker. We're going to go over all of that in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and see what we have inside. Nice thick box. Be really careful because it is sharp. Go ahead and get this out. We have our nice little carrying strap here. And here we have our Earfun. Right, here we go. You ready? You ready? La. There it is. Beautiful. Earfun. We're going to have some Earfun today with this. Okay, so here we go. This is everything that came inside. We have, what do we have here? Open this up. We have Earfun, better sound, better life. Okay, well, that makes sense. And let's see what it says here. We do have a 24-hour technical support, 30-day refund for any reason, and an 18th month free replacement. 18-month free replacement. So that sounds like a pretty good warranty. I don't know if you have to pay to send it in or anything like that. We have our USB-C to USB-C cable. That's pretty nice because you can actually charge devices from the USB-C port on here. We do have our Earfun UBOOMX manual. So let's see what we have inside of the manual here, what it tells us. Just tells us what all of the buttons are and how to use everything, what all the different ports are and stuff like that. How do you charge your devices? True wireless stereo if you have two speakers, all of the different functions of all of the different buttons. So just lots of different stuff, and also tells you that it does have the Earfun audio app that you're able to download from the Play Store or from the App Store to be able to get some more functionality out of your Earfun speaker. Now here is the shoulder strap. We'll just take a look at this as well. I don't really see myself using the shoulder strap, but we'll just open it up. So here it is. It's just a fabric strap. And I guess you just clip it on either side here like this. These are pretty cool. Look at these clips, these gigantic clips right here. There we go. So you can clip that strap on just like that. I don't know. You can see what it looks like. There it is. There's the Earfun strap. If you guys wanted to use this to carry it, I mean, I guess it does make sense in certain situations. If you want to be carrying this around, you don't want to hold it by the handles. And it does actually say Earfun on here. Has some nice stitching, and it seems to be built, I don't know, fairly well. I'm kind of surprised that it even has that on there on one of the sides. All right, so taking a look at the speaker here, the front, you can see inside of the grill there, a couple little woofers, whatever, some tweeters. Okay, so here are all the buttons on the top. You have your power button, you have your Bluetooth button, volume down, play pause button, volume up, you have your light button, and you have your party mode button. That button is for doing TWS or syncing up to 50 speakers. As you can see right here, you also have a battery indicator. You also do have some indicators above some of the other buttons like the power, the Bluetooth, and the party mode button. And we flip it around to the back here. Take a look underneath the panel. You'll see you have an output, USB-C output port, a USB-C input port, and a 3.5 millimeter aux. The input port is actually for charging this device from the USB-C. The output port is for charging other devices from the USB-C. And it does not say if you can play devices from either one of those ports, so I am not sure about that. Now, as far as the IP67 waterproofing, you do have to have this flap closed completely. So make sure it's completely closed and sealed if you plan on getting this speaker wet at all. On the sides here, you have your passives. I'm not sure if this has any lighting on the sides. I don't believe that it does. Just the passives on both of the sides. Now on the bottom, we have 4 little feet there to make it non-slip so it doesn't slip around. And as you saw already on the top, we just have our little holders here. And that's pretty much it for the speaker. Okay, let's go ahead and power it on and try to get connected to Bluetooth. You notice that the battery indicator is lit up at the top here. The power button is flashing. You're supposed to press the Bluetooth button once. And now it's in pairing mode. And it should show up as the Earfun UBOOMX on your device. And there we are. I believe we are paired to it. Now, I'm not really sure why the Bluetooth button is not illuminated, but it actually is paired. Let's try to play a song real quick and see if it's paired. Okay, so it is. All right, so let's take a look at the Earfun UBOOMX app here. As you can see, the speaker is connected. We go ahead and click on it. It has all sorts of stuff here. You can change the name of it. You can play your next track, your previous track. You can pause it. You have video mode. It says this may reduce audio latency, but could result in an unstable connection. So I don't know. I probably would not use that. You also have your Earfun equalizers right here. So have a whole bunch of equalizers. And there are people raving about some of these equalizers, because you can go over here to the Old Love Signature equalizers, and you have all of these different ones like the UBOOMX that you can use. But it does say that it does drain a little bit more power. Now this Olov person, I guess, does speaker reviews, and he also tunes equalizers, and everybody likes his equalizer tuning. So you do have that here if you want that. And we can go over here to the next thing, lighting effects. You do have different lighting effects. You can actually choose any color you want. So you can see when I press the buttons here, it actually does change the color of the lights on your speakers there, or you can just do basically where it just goes through all of the different colors. It goes to the rhythm, like right here, for example, it has going to the rhythm, which I really like. And you can actually also customize right there, which is nice if you wanted to do that. You have voice prompts, you have automatic shutdown. You can select from 5 minutes all the way to 120, or you could just turn it off completely. You have a tutorial, you have a fax. And when we were originally connected to the speaker, it did have an update. So I went ahead and did it, and the speaker seemed to work a lot better after the update. And now one of the other cool things that I like here is if you go under the Discover menu, and you do have a whole bunch of different sounds you can use here. You click the more, and just a whole bunch of stuff that you could choose. You can just have some ocean waves, coffee shop, waterfall, across Ireland, summer night. I mean, just like a ton of different like sleep sounds. It says sleep, but I guess they mean sleep. Maybe just cut off there. And then sound right here. If you click on sound, you have thunderstorm. Let's see what that sounds like. Oh, wow. That is really cool. You can add wind to it. And if you want a bell and some footsteps, that is just really cool. I really like that. So it's a sound machine, all sorts of cool stuff you can do inside the sound machine. You can select your sound, you can put it on a timer. I mean, there's just a ton of cool stuff that you can actually do with this Earfun UBOOMX app. So definitely, guys, if you get this speaker, use the app, check it out. You will have some fun in there as well. So for the specifications of the Earfun UBOOMX, speaker sizes, it has two 20mm silk tweeters. There are no mids, and it does claim to have two 4-inch woofers, although they seem to be a little bit smaller than 4-inch. 80 watts of power. Frequency response was not listed. Weighs approximately 10 pounds. Dimensions are 15.7 inches long by 6 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. Charge time is roughly 4 hours via a 30-watt fast charging brick, and that gives you a playtime of up to 30 hours with the lights off at 50% volume. Connections are USB-C in and out, aux 3.5mm, and it does support USB-C charging of devices. It's IP67 dustproof and waterproof as long as the little back door flap is completely closed. And the app that is used is the Earfun Audio app. It does also have some really cool extras. It has TWS, which allows you to connect two speakers together in true wireless stereo. Party Connect, where it allows you to connect up to 50 speakers together. It does have a built-in mic for hands-free calling and LED lighting controls in the app, as well as something that's really cool. If you go under the Discovery tab in the app, it offers you a sound machine with all sorts of different sound effects that you're able to use. So now we're going to play a few tracks so you can see what this speaker sounds like. It's going to be playing at 70% volume on Bass Boost 3. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
Good at that. Okay. Best I don't stop. Best I don't stop. Good at that. Okay. Best I don't stop. shouldn't fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
So my final thoughts for the Earfun UBOOMX speaker. I think it's a pretty good speaker. I think the build quality is definitely there. It feels nice in the hand. It feels sturdy and good. I like the features of it. I definitely like that you could turn this thing into a sound machine. I like the app. I'm not so into the lights so much, but besides that, I think it really sounds good. It actually hits all the bass frequencies. I played Magic Mike on here. I played a lot of other songs. And I mean, it's not like knocking the house down or anything, but it actually is able to hit all of the frequencies without the speakers freaking out or anything happening. And I cranked it up all the way, and I really tried to, do as much as it possibly could. And then I was expecting it to be like catching on fire or smell like it was burning or something. And I mean, it was perfect. It just worked perfectly. So I have to say the Earfun UBOOMX speaker, I definitely recommend this, guys. Right now, you can get this on Amazon for about 130 bucks with the coupon. So if you're interested in purchasing this speaker, I will leave a link in the description where you'll be able to get it. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, since anything you purchase does generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.